your friend is eyeing up an early retirement at 60 and aiming for £60,000 per year spent. Crunching the numbers, that means your friend will need roughly £815,000 as a lump sum. This is roughly 13.5 times the annual spend. Now, what if that friend is aiming for £100,000 per year? This is a different ballgame. Rather than the 13.5 times the annual spend, this individual will need 18.5 times the annual spend. This means we need a lump sum of 1.875 million. You're probably thinking, why the change in the multiples? The main player in this is taxes, of course. Most of us put our money in tax-deferred accounts. The more we withdraw from these accounts, the larger that tax bill is. This is simply a game changer. Here's a breakdown of your buddy's retirement provisions at the age of 60. Keep in mind, these numbers may dance to a different tune. For personalised financial advice, click the link below on how we can help you.